welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Project 10 Uses. This was created by Phoebe HB, inspired by Melissa Gold, and was really brought to the painting community in like mass quantity from Paula. I'm gonna have all those beautiful ladies listed down below if you want to go check them out. I don't believe there is any kind of playlist anywhere on the YouTubes that has like everyone on it, because everyone's just kind of doing their own thing. So if you want to find everyone else that's doing it, you probably just have to put in Project 10 Uses and you'll get about 6 million hits, because a lot of people are doing it right now. I started mine in October of last year, and it's really helping me rotate through a bunch of my stuff. Things that, you know, don't usually get touched. It's actually helping with some things that are fairly new that I really want to test out to see if I truly like them or not, or if it's something I want to pass on to like maybe a friend or a family member. It's just working out for me. I like it. I like this project a whole lot. There is not a lot of commitment to using something 10 times, and yeah, I'm enjoying it a whole lot. I'm going to keep doing it for a little bit and see how it goes. So I've been doing 10 products each month. Some of them roll over, some of them roll out, and I roll in something new once I hit 10 uses on it. And I actually have three things that are rolling out, and 3 things that are rolling in. I'm just going to go into my list, how I have them in here from what's been in here the longest, and then go from there, because there's some things that have been in here for a hot minute that I should have already hit my 10 uses on, but I haven't, so you know how that goes. All right, first one, Bare Minerals Vine. Looks like this. I am up to 8 uses on this one. I'm so very happy. It is, it's not a matte. It looks matte, but it's not. It's actually a satin, and it makes it a little bit harder to use because it is a satin, but 8 uses, I feel like I can get to 10 by the next update. I don't wear green frequently right now because of what I have in other projects. It doesn't really coordinate super well, but I think I can make it work to get 2 more uses out of it. The next one, and I probably use these 2 together. This is the Sage Blue Mica Powder. This is from the now non-existent Coastal Scents. They got rid of their mica powders like a long time ago, and I've had this for forever. I'm up to 5 uses now on this. I don't know if I can get it rolled out by next update, because I just don't know. I'm going to try, but we'll see. We'll see if we can do that. Next, I finally used it, and because I pressed it into here. I have Bare Minerals Present. It is pressed into here. It has been in here like since the beginning, and I haven't used it. And I used it twice in the past month. I know twice is not amazing, but considering it had been in since October and not used at all, I'll take 2 times. I will take that. All right, moving on to one of the more recent, wasn't in the last update or 2, but a little bit more recent. This is the e.l.f. cream eyeliner in the color Copper. It is really a lovely shade. Unfortunately, I'm trying to paint a lot of eyeliners right now, but I am up to 3 uses on this one. Don't know if I'll have that done by the next update, but I should have a few more uses on there. This next product, I really love it a whole lot, but I'm trying to finish a foundation. This is the Lancome Foundation Tint. I don't know how you say that. Idol. Don't ask me. I don't know. I have some people from France that would know how to pronounce it. This girl, not so much. Looks like that. I absolutely love this foundation, which is crazy because it's a cream foundation and I'm an oily girl, but I feel like this just, it turns matte on me. It's like a cream to powder. I don't even know how to explain it. It is so lovely. If it was cruelty free and not so daggone expensive, I would totally, in a heartbeat, repurchase that one. So I am up to 6 uses on that one. I have a feeling if I finish my other foundation, which should finish any day now, I will definitely have that one rolling out next update. All right, slacker, total slacker on this one. The Jessica Nails Nourish Therapeutic Cuticle Formula. I have to smell it because it smells good. Looks like that. I am only at 2 uses on this because I'm actually working on a cuticle oil as well, and I have to kind of alternate them, and the cuticle oil, I don't know, it feels nicer on my nails, or, you know, on my fingers, and I don't know. I'll get my uses on that, but I don't expect it by the next update. And the last one that is rolling over, it is this one in last time, I believe. This is the Avon Pore Reducer Mask. Any guesses how many times I used this in the past month? Any guesses at all? You are probably correct. 0. I have not used it. I need to use it because I've been super oily lately, and because the heat. But I have not taken the time to take care of myself like I should, because I've been busy. It's gardening season, it's planting season, and it's homeschool portfolio season. This girl, I have no time. I have no time at all. So hopefully in the next month, I will find a time to use this, because my skin needs it. All this glow that everyone's like, oh, your highlighter looks so pretty. That's me. That's my oils. It's kind of disgusting, but yeah, I need that mask. I need it in my life, and I need it on my face. All right, let's get to the 3 that I have reached my 10 mark on. Some I actually used a little bit more, but that's okay. One I used a little bit more. The first one, this is the ColourPop Jelly Mutt Shadow in Mojave Moves. I really like this one a whole lot. It is very similar to the Super Shock Shadow Ladybird. If you have that one, you definitely don't need both, but you know, one's a Super Shock and one's a Jelly Much. So, you know, if you have a formula preference, you know, that would make a difference to you. I have them both. I love them both, and I wear them in the same fashion. All right, the next one is the big shower gel. It is a shower gel bubble bath shampoo. This stuff would never, ever in a million years touch my hair. Mandarin Mimosa, if I could speak. I reached my 10 uses on that. I love it. I really do. I wish the fragrance would last a little bit longer, but I do really like it. So yeah, I hit 10. The next one, after I stole it back from my husband, this is the EcoStyle Gel, and this is the argan oil formula. I probably used this like 13 times, and I just stopped counting at 10. And yeah, I like it. I do like it, and I will use it probably, even though it's not going to be in a project for right now. I'm not going to use it exclusively. Like normally this hair needs a gel cast. It does. But I'm going to work on something else for my hair. I'm going to roll in 2 new hair products and see if I can't get, you know, like the definition that I want with these other products. It's kind of a test of, do I want to like just finish up these products and then never purchase them again, or will they work? This summer humidity, and it might as well be summer here. Our spring doesn't last long. It will test it. All right, the first one is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse, blah, 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 with a bunch of other stuff. I used to use mousse exclusively until I discovered gel cast. This one doesn't seem to have as much, like it doesn't define my curls as much as the kind of like aerosol mousses, but none of those are cruelty-free or Curly Girl approved, so that's why I tried this. I do like it, but I just don't know that it's going to have enough hold unless I use half the bottle, and I really don't want to use half a bottle of mousse on my head just to get a curl definition. And this other product is the same line. It is Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curling Enhancing Smoothie, blah, 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 with this, that, and everything else. This is kind of like the texture of a leave-in conditioner, but it's supposed to have some light fixatives in it. So I would probably use these together, hoping to get a good combo of, you know, stuff that's going to give me some curl definition. Because you can see where I don't get as much gel up here. I don't have as good curl definition, but down the bottom, you know, it is what it is. And then the last product, because I am not stupid, I'm not putting any makeup in this time around. This is the Equate Skin Therapy Lotion Fresh Scent. It is brand new, and it's probably been in my cabinet for God knows how many years. I have no idea. But yeah, a lotion is not a conflict with everything else in all my other projects. So those are my 3 that I'm putting in for this update. I needed less makeup. I needed it. I hope you all understand that. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to the test of what my hair looks like with these two products. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.